Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today I'm going to show you how I slayed this hair from start to finish. You guys, this hair is amazing. I love it so much. So let's get right into it. So the hair we're using today is a Vietnamese steamed wavy hair. This is from the company Rauh hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. So they sent me over 3 bundles and a frontal, and this company does have bundle deals available if that's what you guys are looking for. But let's talk about this hair. This is the body wave texture, and it's so pretty. The luster, the wefts, everything is so gorgeous about this hair. And I love the natural black color. Like, this hair was super dark, so I don't have to color it. So if you want something really black, this hair might be for you. And this right here is the frontal. And what I love about this frontal is that the hair is the exact same texture as the bundles, and the lace did come light, so you can customize it to whatever color you want to, and it's made really well. Like, this is a really nice frontal. And so far, I was really impressed with the hair, like just from straight out of the box. Now we're gonna go right into bleaching the knots. I'm using a 40 volume developer and also some Salon Care Quick White. And we're gonna be using some red gold corrector drops. These will help the frontal not become like brassy in the bleaching process. So what you wanna do is add a scoop and a half of Quick White. And make sure you only start off with a little bit of developer, because you want to mix this and have a nice thick consistency. If it's runny, it can actually leak through the frontal and over bleach your knots. So you want to make sure it's a nice thick consistency, like it should stay on the brush when you hold it upside down. So once you get your right consistency, go ahead and add some of those correcting drops. I just did about maybe 5 or 6, and mix that right on in. It'll make your bleach turn kind of like a purplish color. So now you want to paint on your bleach and have a very light hand. Like, I might look rough on camera, but you guys, I'm doing this so gentle. So once you're done with that step, you want to go ahead and flip it over and let it process for about 25 minutes. And this is the end result. It came out very nice, very perfect, not brassy or anything like that. Now we're going to go in and tint the lace. You need a bowl of hot water, and you also need salt. And I don't know, what does the salt do? I don't know, it helps the color better. And now we're gonna pour in our dye. I'm using the color chocolate brown, and I'm basically using a cap full, not a lot at all, because this stuff is dark. You wanna go ahead and sit your frontal in the fabric dye, but only for about 3 to 5 minutes. Not longer than that, because you'll over tint it and it'll be too dark. So this is what it came out looking like, perfect for my complexion. It's gonna match me so flawless. So this right here is the cap I use for all of my wigs. This is a Japanese swim cap. I will have this cap linked below if you're interested in getting your own. If you guys want an in-depth video about making a wig, let me know in the comment section below. But you guys, when you're making your wig, please put your frontal about 1.5 inches below the cap band, okay? That's the placement of where your frontal should be. You sew that on and then sew on your tracks. It's really simple, but if you guys want it in more detail, let me know. And I just had to show you guys the luster on this hair. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And the wefts are very nice and thin, which will allow you to flip them really easy. So this is the finished wig right here, and of course I have to go in and pluck my frontal. So right here in the front, I pluck it all the way back, and it'll end up looking like this because my hairline is pretty low, so I have to like customize my frontal to look just like my hairline. And now I like to pluck wet because it allows the frontal knots to just lift off of the frontal easier. So what you want to do is just spray it, you know, get it nice and wet, and just go in and pluck, being sure to move your hand back and forth, side to side. You don't want to pluck too long in one spot because your frontal will go bald. So just make sure you're moving your hand back and forth. And I really like this technique. I learned it from Alonzo on Instagram, and it works so good. It's way better than the traditional plucking. So right now I'm just going ham on this frontal because it was really full. So I had to pluck a lot, which I don't mind a full frontal. It's just, you know, you got to take a little bit more time to make it look natural. But I don't mind because this hair is amazing. So this is what my frontal looked like after I was done plucking. And I tried to pluck it to mimic my natural hairline as much as possible. And I think it came out really, really good. I'm loving how it's looking right now. Very, very natural looking. Alright, you guys, so to put on my wig, I don't have on anything but my wig grip, and all of my edges are slicked back except for right there on the sides. I'm going to glue my frontal down from here to here. I honestly don't like to glue my frontal all the way down to by my ear because my hairline is just weird. Glue I'm using today is from Lace Grip. And I found out about this glue on Instagram. Arrogant Tay uses it, so you know I had to try it out. So now I'm just putting on my wig and positioning it in place. Just getting it nice and snug. Now you can wear this glueless, but I wanted to glue it down. So just go ahead and flip your lace all the way back. Make sure no hair is sticking out on the areas that you want to glue. And just apply some dots. And I did 2 layers of this. I did 2 layers of glue. And what you want to do is go through and just smooth out the glue, make it nice and thin. And you guys let this one layer dry clear, and then you can go ahead and apply another layer. So at this point, I already did 2 layers, and I'm pulling down the lace. And right now, I'm just pressing the lace into the glue, getting it nice and melted. And now I'm taking a razor comb and I'm cutting off the lace. Now, I like using this method now because I feel like it makes the lace look a lot more natural because it's not those even straight cuts. So definitely use an eyebrow razor to cut your lace off of your head. It just makes it, you guys, this lace was so flawless. Like, it looks like my hair. Even me watching the video back, like, it legit looks like my hair. So this is what I like to do. I cut the lace like around my own natural baby hair. And I kind of cut it around my ear. And it just like kind of lays on top of my hairline on those areas because I just don't like it glued right there. So this is how I wear my frontals, and it works for me. It's very secure. Nobody notices or can tell that it's not glued right there. I think this little way that I put on my frontals makes it look a lot more natural and makes it look a lot more like my hair, because sometimes that can be a dead giveaway with frontals is you know, around the ear area. So now I'm gonna start making my baby hairs. I'm just parting off a little bit of hair around the hairline. And what I like to do is pull the hair in the opposite direction and take that razor and just lightly shave away the hair. So I do it like this just so the baby hairs don't have any harsh edges and they just lay smooth and look very natural. You guys will see how natural the baby hairs look when I go ahead and gel them down. They lay really good like it's my own hair. And I'm not fully laying them down. I'm just kind of doing a rough draft of it first to see if I need to go back in and cut. And I do need to go back in and cut just to clean up my baby hairs. And now I'm going to go in and do my final sculpting of those baby hairs. And you guys, tell me that doesn't look super natural. It looks so natural and so good. And now I'm blending my own natural baby hair with the baby hair from the frontal. And this little hack, you guys, it makes your frontals look so good if you're a person like me and don't like it just glue all around your face. Because I don't know, it just, no matter what I do, it just seems to look fake like that to me. So now I'm just cleaning up my part, making a nice straight part, but not too straight, not too crisp and straight, because those type of parts look fake as well to me. And I'm using a blow dryer just to press out the hair and get it in place and get it nice and flat. So this is what the hair looks like straight from a co-wash. And you guys, the hair is so light and airy and fluffy, no tangles, nothing like that. And now I'm just spraying a little bit of water and conditioner in the hair to help the hair pop and bring out that natural wave. Now you can apply a little bit of oil to the hair, but it doesn't really need anything to me. Like, the hair feels like really good with little to no product. You honestly don't even really need products in the hair. Like, I wouldn't put anything in it, maybe a little bit of argan oil if it looks a little dry, but to me the hair is absolutely perfect. Like, I didn't need anything in this hair, and it is very easy to maintain. You can co-wash this every day if you like, but I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks and I haven't been washing it every day, and it still looks just amazing. Look at the texture. Oh my god, I love it so much, you guys. So now I'm gonna show you how this hair looks when it's curled. I definitely wanted to go in and put some curls in this hair, you guys, and it curls so pretty, so bouncy. And you guys, even though this is high quality hair, it is very affordable. This is definitely hair that you can reuse and reuse that will last you a very long time. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you check the description box below. And make sure you guys use my code IVY20 to save $20 off of your order. Thanks so much for watching this video. Shout out to Rauh Hair for sponsoring this video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.